Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Syara Rahmadani. I am student from the Islamic Religion Education Study program at STAI Dr. KHZ Mutakin. On this occasion, I will convey a little of my final exam, a material on the title Key to Success. Yes, have you ever felt like you wanted to have a success life? How have you ever thought about how to go about it? Yes, a success. Who doesn't want to be successful and live a more better? Surely everyone want to be a success. All of people want to be a success, but success can achievement, and there are tips. The first thing we have to do is be diligent in all aspect. When we are student, we have to diligent in studying, so we understand of a diligent. And I have a tip for those of you one really want the lesson to be absurd. Yes, the tip is 10 minutes before the lesson, you have repeat what you have learned first. So, and when the lesson is finished, we can understand what we have learned that day. For 10 minutes too, and get help from home the report the lesson. Besides begin diligent, we also have to have goals. What we our goals for learning? What we our goals for the next 10 years ago? And we already know what our goals are for our life. We also have to manage our time. What we do in this life must be structured and from waking up until going to sleep again. What we are going to do today, so that all schedules and manage, and so that everything we do is religion. Then the second is to be consistent in doing everything. Working hard and consistently in learning is very must, and you must make time to study every day and be consistent in studying every day and at the right time. So we must have our own study time every day, no matter how many hours we study. But the most important thing is consistently. Yes, the third is never give up. Nothing we do in perfect. Some was never give up on correction past mistake. This a good attitude. Always improving little by little what we our mistake in the past. So, and we want a success, we must not be lazy to move. We must take advice of all the important the opportunities that exist when we want a success. And we are also smart, but we are lazy. That is a very usually thing. So, when we want a success, we should also implement the step by step for a success. We should not assume that everything we are going to do is easy, because when we keep that word in our mind, we will be lazy in doing everything, right? Yes. Very right. When our going to do as when learned in mahfuzat manjada wajada. So success and be seriously in your youth, because in your youth we should fight for of success in the future. Yes. Let's look at people who have been successful. What they did before, what they did yesterday. So they must have been seriously. No one was lazy, and they was an attention in their life. To become a better person. So attention is the most important thing in us because everything can be a religion with with our attention and our action. Yes, of course. If we have attention in our self but we not action, that's also wrong. Okay, so and attention also. And we must always renew our attention every day. Everything what we do something, we must renew our attention. Okay, so why we must renew our attention? Because in the future of this country, only we can determine how this young generation what young generation want to be better or of vice versa, because we are the successor generation. And what in mahfuzat inna fi yadi syubban amrul ummah wa fi aqdamiha hayataha. Yes, I hope what I have conveyed on this occasion will be a benefit for all of you, and I hope this can awaken the desire from success within you. I ask forgiveness for any shortcomings or extents, because a perfect comes from Allah. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.